И всем привет! Вы на канале Оригами Бро. В этом видео мы покажем вам, как сделать миленькую кошечку из бумаги. Перед просмотром, пожалуйста, поставьте лайк и подпишитесь на наш канал. Это очень поможет в продвижении. Всем приятного просмотра!
And we could just fade away into each other's lives. And we could just fade away until we're all right. And we could just fade away into each other's lives. And we could just fade away until we're all right. Just like a bird, I would like to fly away, yo. Off of this earth, I would fly with the halos. Don't know my worth, but I figured out how pain goes. Treat it as a curse or reverse it, okay. Go back to a time when I didn't make choices. Back to a time when my parents were my voices. Back to a time when I used to take classes. Back to a time when I couldn't really pass shit, it happens. Try to figure out fate, yo. Yeah, I try to figure out hate, yo. Yeah, on the beach in San Diego. Yeah, feet in the sand, it's late, yo. Moon up in the sky, so high, so bright. The only thing at night that can really shed light. And I wish I didn't fight with my thoughts at night. I think that I'm alright, but it burns inside. And we could just fade away into each other's lives. And we could just fade away until we're all right. And we could just fade away into each other's lives. And we could just fade away until we're all right. I got too many thoughts in my head, thoughts that I dread, opinions from my friends. This shit, it never ends. I'm sick of all these trends, I'm sick of paying rent. I'm sick of growing up and not just knowing how it ends. So I plan with intent, today I make a dent. I'm gonna make it happen, everything that I have dreamt. And a hand I extend, out like a friend, to anyone who's ever felt lost in the sand. Yeah, let's both repent, forgive and forget, and keep on moving forward till we do what we had said. Yeah, we feast on the bread, we eat then we're fed. And we need to go shed all this doubt in our head. All this cloud that I dread is now where I head. But I found out instead that my voice, it can spread. Got a choice, take a breath, make a noise and forget about any doubts. We gon' live with every breath. And we can just fade away into each other's lives. And we can just fade away until we're all right. And we can just fade away into each other's lives. And we can just fade away until we're all right. Every day that I wake up in a nightmare. Every day that I wake up, I can never see quite clear. When I look at my surroundings, and everybody still doubts me, I wanna live to hear a crowd sing all my lyrics so loudly. I miss a time when we would all get together. I guess it's fine, but I really wish that we were better. Real talk, sipping drinks without all the pressure. Now everybody needs to think about posting whatever. When people ask how I'm doing, I've never been better. That's really not a conversation I'm willing to enter. How come we all continue forcing out all of this pressure? I'm just sick of these opinions and all of these lectures. I need my space now so I can feel nothing. I live this nightmare so I can be something. Yeah. I do what I love and hope you will love me. Yeah. I face this nightmare, no I am not running. I'm scared of being rich, but I'm scared of being poor. I'm scared of being lonely, but I'm scared of being bored. Sometimes I get really angry.
Всем спасибо за просмотр. Обязательно подписывайтесь, ставьте лайки. А мы с вами прощаемся. Всем удачи и пока.